Hi friends, myself Kripa, nice to meet you again. And today I want to talk to you about beliefs. So let's say, for example, let's take an example of money, because money is something we all struggle around and it's very important for all of us. So if I have to identify beliefs around money which can affect the money inflow in our lives, these beliefs could be, let's say, for example, money can be evil. So having too much money is evil and it is associated with greed. So in order to stop having the greed, we avoid having money. And also another example can be that money brings bad luck. Too much money brings bad luck. And another example can be that if I have too much money, then I will be all alone. Another example can be that if I have too much money, then my friends and family and my relatives, they will leave me because I won't be aligning with their space because they don't have that kind of money. And also around money, the beliefs can be, the programs can be that money is hard to earn, so it requires a lot of hard work to earn money. So the beliefs around money can be coming from like whatever you have experienced in your life, whatever you have went through in your childhood, howsoever your upbringing, your circumstances have been, your struggles have been. And also sometimes the beliefs are around genetic levels, like whatever your parents have experienced, whatever you as a child has experienced because of your parents, and also around in different lifetimes. So this is like the history level of beliefs. So, whatever you have experienced in the past, whatever beliefs you carried in the past, they can affect your money inflow in the present. So, beliefs around past lives can be that like I. If I have too much of money, then I become God, or I am the boss of everyone. So that is like the egoistic space around money. Also, the beliefs around money can be that I don't deserve money. So it is about your worthiness, it is about your deservingness of having money. And sometimes the beliefs around money can go to the soul level. So the soul have experienced betrayal or cheatings or even death around money. So the soul fears to have too much of money or having abundance of money, and the soul will make sure that it doesn't have it. So the soul level beliefs, if not clear, they will not let you have abundance, have the prosperity consciousness, because they will create a block in your space no matter how hard you try to have it. So these are certain beliefs which can be worked upon in therapy, and these can actually be dealt with. So these are workable and these can be changed by changing the beliefs, by changing the subconscious programs. So if you feel, if any of these beliefs, if you feel that you also have, and there are plenty more, there are like so many more beliefs which are around money, which are around love, which are around self. I'm just giving you an example around money because that is like the main problem, main space. But there are so many other beliefs around money which can be worked upon, and it depends from person to person. We can change them. So if you have identified any of these beliefs, then just see how you want to change them and let me know in the comments, and we can talk more. Thank you for watching.